Now, one of the fastest ways to achieve success is by analysing what's already working. So in this video, we're going to take a look at a website in the trades industry that's getting a ton of traffic. We'll be showing you why this website is generating so much traffic, and most crucially, how you can do the same. What we're doing today is analysing this website called Aspect. We're going to break down the on-page SEO, the off-page SEO, and see why this website is doing so well. All right, so first up, we're going to take a look at the on-page. And just visually, the website is super simple to use. That's something you can really take away from this, because a lot of trade websites get messy. You hover over a button and suddenly there are a million tabs. But here, they've kept it really clever and really simple. On their homepage, they've just got the basics. You've got the logo, the trades they cover, pricing, locations, and a big Book Now button. They're not messing around with tons of links all over the page. They've really made it easy for someone to use. You can click through to the three main things people care about. The pricing, people obviously want to know what the cost is, the locations they cover, and the trades they work in. So if you click on trades, you'll see they cover all these different industries. Again, it's just a really simple page layout that works. When you scroll down, even the contact form is kept simple. You know how most websites have a contact form with a million fields to fill out? You know, name, address, postcode, blood type, all that? Here, it's just straightforward. You've got a call to action. You pick your trade, enter your postcode, and it takes you to the next step. So it takes you through a page where you can fill out more details if you want to proceed. But instead of dragging you through a huge contact form right at the start, you're only committed once you show interest by checking the availability. And that's key. A lot of times these long forms just put people off. Their call to action is also super simple, book now. And you've got some real professionals pictured in branded work clothes, which adds to the trust factor. The services are clearly laid out. There's more info at the bottom and the socials are there as well. So overall, visually, the website is really simple, it's trustworthy and it's easy to use. And that's definitely something you can take away for your own site. Now, looking at the results from Search Atlas, you can see this website is generating a lot of organic traffic. About 29,000 clicks a month. You can also see how much the traffic has grown over the last few years. So if we go back to 2020, they were getting around 14,000 clicks a month, and now it's literally doubled. Sure, there might be fluctuations, but overall their traffic has shot right back up, pulling in a massive amount of leads for this company. Now let's dive into a few metrics. First, we can see the domain rating is quite high for a service-based business, which means they have a lot of quality traffic and strong authority. They've got over 22,000 backlinks and 3,800 referring domains. Now, referring domains are the number of unique websites linking back to them. And that's a big deal because it shows how many different sources are giving them credibility. The trust flow is sitting at 44. Now, this measures the quality of the backlinks they're getting. So these aren't just random low quality links. They're from reputable, relevant sites. And this is why their trust flow is solid. Now let's take a look at the keywords they're ranking for. You can see here the keywords, its position on Google, and the traffic it's pulling in. It also shows the monthly search volume and the potential cost per click. Plus, it gives us an idea of the search intent. For example, toilet unblocker. Could be someone looking to hire a professional to unblock their toilet, or they might be looking for information on how to do it themselves. But because this keyword has informational intent, that's why they've built a blog around this topic. It's attracting people searching for solutions, which brings them to their website. On the other hand, keywords like leak detection have a commercial intent. This suggests someone is looking to hire professional services, which aligns with the trade pages, focusing on things like damp leaks and leak detection. If we scroll down, you'll see people searching for specific boilers with fault codes. And you can see this keyword has a lot of search volume, about 1,600 searches a month. They've created a blog post about this topic, drawing in visitors who are looking for information on this specific issue. By building content around these specific keywords and search intents, they're effectively getting people on their site. These articles serve to educate potential customers and create awareness about their company. This strategy helps attract people at the top of the funnel who might not be ready to buy immediately, but will remember the company when they need a service. So let's analyze some of these keywords. For example, let's take emergency plumber London. We can open up the page which is targeting this keyword and use a tool called Surfer SEO. So what we're going to do is head to the content editor on Surfer SEO and we'll input our keyword emergency plumber. I've already set it up here so you can see that we've used the keyword emergency plumber. Now if we click through and paste the entire content of that into this content editor, we'll get a readout on its performance. The page company has a fairly high score of 51 out of 100. The average score for pages on Google is around 67, so there might be some room for improvement. However, many pages on the second, third or fourth page of Google end up scoring much lower, often in the 15 to 20 range, which means they have low quality content. What this tells us is that this site is actively optimizing its content. Now, whether they're using this specific tool or another one, or even if they're manually optimizing it, the content quality is higher and that's contributing to their good ranking. So the reason their page is ranking well is that their content is structured properly and meets high quality standards for these keywords. All right, so the next thing we're going to take a look at is their top pages. If we go over to the pages section, we can actually see all the pages they've built and how much traffic each one is pulling in. You'll notice that some of these pages are pulling in a lot of traffic, especially their blog posts. These blogs are getting people onto the site by addressing very specific problems that potential customers might have, whether it's issues with their boilers, drains, or any other problem. They're essentially writing articles that solve these issues for people, which not only gets their attention, but also introduces them to the business. And then there are service pages like plumbing and cold water or damp leaks that also bring in a lot of visitors. So looking at these top ranking pages gives us a good understanding of how their site is structured. You can make note of these high traffic pages and build similar ones on your own site. This is a great way to pull in traffic, as you can see what's working for them and apply it to your own strategy. The next thing we're going to look at are backlinks. Backlinks play a massively important role in why a website ranks well. They're crucial because they help increase a website's domain authority. Basically, domain authority is a score that tells Google how authoritative your website is. If you've got good quality links pointing towards your site, it signals to Google that your site is trustworthy and relevant, which in turn improves your rankings. Now, these are the actual sites that are linking back to this website. Next are the anchors, which is the keyword or phrase that hyperlinks another site to your website. For example, they have 1,600 backlinks from 470 different domains. That's a lot of backlinks, which tells us they're doing a great job with their link building strategy. Next up, we've got referring domains. So these are the actual sites that are linking back to this website. What you can do here is export these onto a spreadsheet and then go through them to find the ones that could apply to your business. You can then look into getting listed on those sites. For example, we've got Yale.com here that they've got listed on. Now this is a big UK directory. You can go through all of these referring domains and check which ones are relevant to your business. Some might be junk or irrelevant, but it's worth going through all of them to find the good ones. Let's take a look at Tradesman Up. Clicking on that, you can see it's a local tradesman directory. This could be a really good site for you to get listed on. All you need to do is click on Get Listed and follow the steps to get your business featured. One more tip. Since this is a UK-based company, you can filter the referring domains to only show UK-based sites. Once you apply the filter, you'll get a list of all UK domains that are linking back. For example, here's bigreddirectory.com, which is a UK-based directory. Then you've got sites like Cleaning Directory, which would be great if you're offering cleaning services. There's also the Building Construction Design, which seems to be consistently posting relevant articles, so you can get listed over there as well. You can check out their advertising options too. Aspect is already listed here, so it could be something you want to pursue for your own business. Now let's see their backlinks. You can actually see the link placements and the anchor text used. For instance, for this backlink, the anchor text is Aspect. Clicking through, we land on an article from a couple of years ago on a fairly big website, and the link goes directly to their site. This kind of placement is significant. It's clearly contributing a lot to their business and rankings. Let's check out more examples. We see links from sites like Yahoo and Yale.com. They've got plenty of links from these reputable sources. So look at all their backlinks and analyze what's working for them. By replicating their successful strategies rather than constantly trying to reinvent the wheel, you can achieve similar results. To compete with big players like this, you need to build something substantial. Focus on both on-page and off-page SEO, understand what's driving their traffic, and work on building similar links and content. And that's how you can start to see success. Thank you for watching until the end. I hope you got a lot out of the video. So our goal here is to help you generate the best quality leads so you can fill out your diary with more customers and grow your business. And that's it from me. By the way, if lead generation is a problem for you right now, then there's a link in the description that can help you solve that problem in under 3 minutes. I want to say a big thank you again for watching this video. If you want to see more like this, please do like and subscribe, and don't forget to drop us a comment in the comment section. We read and respond to every comment we get. Have a great day. I'll see you on the next one.